These greens are so fresh and beautiful. They will make a wonderful meal. You've grown so much, my dear.
Grandma, I missed you.
I missed you too, little one.
Itadakimasu. Let's eat.
Yay, it looks so good. So hungry.
Eat up. Itadakimasu. That's it. Pour it slowly.
Like this, Daddy?
Perfect. You're doing great.
Yay.
These carrots look so fresh. Dinner is going to be delicious.
It's so good to be here with everyone. Yes, it really is.
I love it. Me too.
It's home.
And the villagers gathered, wondering what the lights in the forest could be.
Were they scared?
Some were, but others were very brave.
Look, a shooting star.
Wow, it's beautiful. I have a little secret for you.
A secret? What is it? Tell us, please.
All right. What a beautiful day in the garden. The flowers are smiling back at me.
Wow, so many stars.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Look, that one is so bright.
It is.
Look, the flowers are glowing. They're beautiful, dear.
Let's go see the cabin.
I'll race you.